So recently, there's been a ton of buzz around AI text-to-image generation, which is this revolutionary technology that can turn written prompts into stunning visual art in a matter of seconds.
Feels like you've created a magic pencil here that can literally make any work of art you want, just with a few words.
After experiencing and interfacing with this technology, my team and I were really inspired, and we set out to recreate scenes from some of our favorite films using the popular text-to-image system, DALL-E 2. Maybe it should be 2001.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Too on the nose. Apocalypse Now. Too slow. Or Mad Max Fury Road. Whoa. We thought we struck gold with Blade Runner's Tears in the Rain scene. It was artistic, textured, and iconic. It seemed like the perfect match for this inaugural project. But as we experimented with DALL-E 2, we found that recreating the scene was a bit of a challenge. The images we were getting were close, but not exact enough.
I've seen things you people wouldn't believe. Attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion. I watched C-beams glitter in the dark near the 10-house gate.
Wait, pause that. Let's prompt DALL-E to show us what the character Roy had seen out there in space. This was the moment we realized our aim shouldn't be to simply mimic a scene, but to instead craft a new world. Inspired by Michigan's cold and bleak winter, we used Ridley Scott as the visionary director in our DALL-E 2 prompt and set out to bring this exciting new world to life. And the results were nothing short of breathtaking. Early stills from our film, The Frost, took shape before our eyes. Those early images have inspired an entire story, which has in turn inspired hundreds and hundreds of fantastic images. This is something special, and we can't wait to show it to you.